Hello, I'm former federal prosecutor Diane Birnholz. I mentioned in a previous video that Luigi Mangione was charged with murder in both state and federal court. And specifically, he's being prosecuted on a first-degree murder charge by the Manhattan DA's office, and he's also being prosecuted with a murder charge by the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York. Both have charged him with many other crimes as well. So, what exactly does this mean? Can Mangione be tried and convicted of murder, say in federal court, and then be tried and convicted in state court for the same alleged criminal behavior of shooting and killing Brian Thompson? The answer is yes. But what if he's acquitted of murder in one jurisdiction? Can he still then be tried and convicted of murder in the other jurisdiction? And the answer is again, yes. And make no mistake here, both the state of New York and the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York are charging Mangione for the killing of Brian Thompson. These state and federal charges are not based on two separate incidents. So wait, what about double jeopardy? Well, I want to tell you that there is a body of law known as the dual sovereignty doctrine, which allows exactly this. It allows concurrent jurisdictions to have the ability to prosecute criminal activity based on the same underlying facts. That's because both the state and federal governments are separate jurisdictions, each with the power to charge and prosecute crimes that occur in their jurisdiction. And here the jurisdictions overlap. So what's the practical effect of this? So obviously the trials can't happen at the same time, but Mangione can be tried and convicted in one jurisdiction and then right afterward be tried and convicted in the other jurisdiction as well. Double jeopardy does not bar this. He could also be acquitted in one or both jurisdictions as well. But keep in mind, though, that the elements of the crime of murder are quite different as charged in the New York case as opposed to the crime of murder as charged in the federal case, meaning that the Manhattan DA's office will be put to different proof in order to satisfy the elements of its murder charge than the U.S. Attorney's Office will need to prove in its case. I'm going to explain that in my next video. Thank you very much.